To get YouTube TV on Firestick, start by ensuring your device is connected to the internet and you have a YouTube TV subscription. Open the Amazon App Store on your Firestick. Then navigate to the search bar and type YouTube TV. Select the YouTube TV app from the search results and click the Get or Download button to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click the Open button to launch the YouTube TV app. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Enter your email address and password. Then click Next and finally click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. After signing in, you will be taken to the YouTube TV home screen where you can browse and watch live TV, sports, and news. You can also access the settings menu to customize your experience, such as setting up a home area, adding or removing channels, and managing your account information. To set up multiple user profiles, go to the Settings menu and select Profiles. Then click Add Profile and follow the prompts to create a new profile. This feature allows different users to have their own personalized experience and watch history. It is also important to note that you can use the Firestick remote to navigate the YouTube TV app, including using the voice search feature to find specific channels or shows. To access the voice search feature, press and hold the microphone button on the remote and speak your search query. In addition, you can also use the Firestick remote to pause, rewind, and fast-forward live TV, as well as access the channel guide and program information. By following these steps, you can easily set up and install YouTube TV on your Amazon Firestick and start enjoying your favorite live TV channels and shows.